Good morning, children. This is your 7th lesson in EVS, Water Pollution Conservation. In the previous lesson, we studied about water, the sources of water, and uses of water. So, we all know that water is very important in our life. In this lesson, we will be studying about how to conserve water. Look at the picture. Here there are two glasses of water. One is polluted water and the other one is pure water. Which glass of water will you drink? Pure water. So, pure water is used to drink. We should not drink polluted water. It will affect our health. Right? Polluted water. If the water is not pure and not fit for drinking, it means the water is polluted. The water may contain soil particles, dirt, and some insects that may be visible or not visible to our naked eyes. Water pollution. What is water pollution? Dirt that comes from washing of utensils and clothes, pesticides and fertilizers, industrial waste make water polluted. Then it becomes unfit for drinking. This is called water pollution. In the previous lesson, you already studied that the quantity of water that is available for our use is very less. So, do not waste it and save it from getting polluted. Next is diseases. Diseases like cholera are spread through water. If not treated properly in time, it can lead to death. In the case of vomiting and diarrhea, the body loses the water content and the patient becomes tired. This is called dehydration. To avoid dehydration, a mixture of salt, sugar, lemon juice, boiled and cooled water should be given to the patient. This is called rehydration. Here the picture what you are seeing is ORS, that is oral rehydration solution. These packets are available in hospitals and medical stores for rehydration. Pure water. So it is better to drink pure water and clean water than to drink polluted water. Get infected with diseases and get medicated and cured later. So take care to avoid polluted water. Here ends your chapter. Thank you.